Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon in your Ninja air fryer. First, select fresh salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each, with or without the skin. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Finally, season your salmon generously with your favorite herbs, spices, and a light brush of oil to enhance the flavor and ensure even cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your Ninja air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking from the start. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down if applicable, into the air fryer basket. Make sure they are in a single layer without overlapping. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfectly flaky result. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? Imagine listening to your favorite tunes or a podcast while you cook. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your salmon is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the air fryer. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the fish moist and tender. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped dill for a bright, fresh finish. And a quick tip: clean your air fryer basket promptly after use to maintain its nonstick coating and extend its life.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.